Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, and this time on the old Magic Roundabout we have something a little bit different. It's this Corgi Toys Ford Transit milk float or milk van. Just as watch it go well, just say hello to all my friends of the channel, any new friends that have joined, welcome aboard, hope you stick around. Yeah, not done a van for a long time, so got a hard time I did one. So just get off your Magic Roundabout on a bench and have a good look at it. Right, okay, here we are then. I had a struggle to get on camera because it's bigger than I thought it was. Right, okay. Right, so we've got rivets. Here, 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 and here, and here. Looks like they're been centre punched already, so it should be quite easy to get undrill, or drill out I should say. Right, so let's have a go. Right, okay, here we go. We're going in. Yeah, always get one. Again. Oh, bloody hell. Apologies for that. Oh, there we go, off, that's it. Right, so that's a base. That's that. Go there. Right, interior. It looks alright. And the glass. So all good. Right, what else we got then? I think this grill can come out. Have a look at that. Yeah, it looks like it can. Yeah, we'll have a go at it. It's plastic. It's looks like it's been melted or something. Right. It's proving a bit difficult, this is. Don't know if I can force it free. Let's get bits out of the way and see what's going on. Right, okay. Right, here it comes. Boom. Right, okay, it should come out now. He says, here we go, we're there. Here you go. That's it. That's a piece to be saved. Glass salvageable. Right, now what I want to do is fix it back to the base, but leave this bit. Oh, there you go. Simple as that. Easy. Right, okay. So now we've got to try and fix this back on. Boom, 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 boom. So, right, okay. Oh, another panel there for something. I don't know what. Okay. Oh, this bit's falling off everywhere here. Right, where's that back bumper? So it looks like got a, don't know, play about with this, I think. That's the underside. No, yeah, no, it went like that, didn't it? Came off there. That's, yeah, yeah, it did, yeah. So I don't know. It's an interesting one. This. Don't know how I'm going to get out this one. That's how it went. So I think what I'd do is rivet that back in place, and I think the bumper holds is in place as well. Or does it go? I don't know. Or does that slot in place first? So I think you slide it in place first, like that. Those two pins locate. No, they don't. Do they? I don't know. That's that way up, isn't it? Oh, actually, yeah. Hold on. So they don't go on there. I thought they located on there. Yeah, because they went in there like that. Apologise, this will have about for a moment. Tell you what, I'm going to do this off camera and I'll get that back to you when I suss it out, okay? Right, okay, I've sussed out how to fix this bit back on. I've got a bit further ahead as well. I've put the cabin in the caustic, as you can see here. Also, I've done a bit of work on the casting itself. I've cut the wings here as well, and also both sides. What else? Right, I've cut the bumper off along here, avoiding these holes which are needed. So next thing to do is, right, so the box goes on, right, so it goes over the locating pins there, like that, okay, so it sits in place, and that rear bumper goes back in the in these holes here and here, like that, all the way round. No, I think it just goes in one way, like that. Okay, and then the rivets hold it in place here and here, and that should secure the box in place then. So that's that. Right, so let's put the cabin on. Right, I've cut out the passenger seat. Let's get in position. So what I'm going to do first, before I do any of that, where I've cut the wings, there's also some sharp edges here which I'm going to tidy up. I've got a flat file here, this is it's a round file. There. Okay, and that one. Not too bad, okay, so that's that. Right, now then. Get out of the way, that's it. Right, so that sits in place, what it should do, we did earlier, when I was playing about with it. Nope, well, it did fit, it fitted earlier. You know, some of it don't want to fit. Oh, there you go, like that. So it's in there like that, that's it. Right, I'm going to put it back on the base like that. Okay, so it sits like that. Just make sure it's in position, that's it. Okay. Right, put it. Right. Right, trick is now, once in place, what you do is put some rivets in. Right, now then, here goes the fun bit. Right, a bit of glue in there. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but try it. Yeah, slip my fingers now. Yucky, yucky. bugger. Okay. Let's give me the fun bit. Right. Stay in place, you buggering thing. Because I do this on camera and it's going horribly wrong. He says, where's our rivet gone? I lost the rivet. All good fun, this is all good fun. Enjoy of doing this. The last time I done one of these vans was many years ago, in the days before I started pulling them apart. All I did then was just smash the windows out and just paint over it. So yes, that's how I done them back then. I think that's got it in place, I hope. I don't know. Oh. Yuck. There you go, apologise for that. Right. I think I've got it. Right, rivets seem to have dried. Right, so that looks looking okay. I hope. Feels well, a little bit wobbly. Right, I think it may need a rivet. Another rivet in here to hold that one in place. So if we get another one. I think that secures the cabin in. Okay. I hope it does anyway. Right. Right, that's looking a bit more promising. That's more like it, that's secured it. Right, okay, so we've got that piece. Now then, I think what I'll do is I might, just a bang, I might just put the box bit back on like that. Another bit here, another piece here, look. Like so. And just do it like that. Now what I plan to do is, when I've got it back in place, what I'm going to do is just board up these holes here. Bits of cardboard to cover them up, so it's more van-like then. Right, so we're getting there, we're getting there. It's a tricky one, this, do one of these this way, but we're getting there. Oops, dear oh dear. Right, so I want 2 more rivets in there to hold the bumper on. Make sure it goes in the right way, like that. Oops, okay. Like that. Right, where's my old super duper? Like that. I haven't got to put these other way or put them in place, unfortunately, so I'm having to do it this way. Do bear with me. Okay, that's one in. Okay. I'll just put a bit more glue in the hole, just make sure it goes in. Okay. You got any first time? Just about, it says yes, I think we're there. All good fun, this is all good fun. Okay, that should be all set now. Right, so we've got the box back in place. Right, now then, what we need to do is board up these holes here. Yeah, look good already, isn't it? Right, don't I've got any cardboard big enough for that. Right, I'll get back to you on this one and then see you in a while. Right, okay, managed to find some bits of cardboard to cut up the holes on the back. Thin plate is on. Yeah, I've done the back one as well. Yeah, so that's all done now. I might try and cut a bit off the back here as well. might try that next. Right, I'm going to get some paint on this now, so I'll show you a bit when I've done it. Okay. Right, okay, it's all painted up now. Well, almost. Got it the red and yellow paint to dry, and then I've got to take off this tape here and here on both sides to do the silver stripes on them. What I do is when I take this off, I put some tape either side of the spaces where I take the tape off to do the silver stripes on both sides. Yeah, then once that's done, just tidy it up across the roof along here, and little bits here and there. And yeah, like I said, I need a bit of tidy up in places. And once that's done and the paint is dried, I'll start doing all the sign writing on it. So the next time you see this, back on your magic roundabout. Right, see you shortly. Right, okay, here we are then. All finished and back on your magic roundabout. Yep, started off life as a milk float or milk van, whatever you want to call it. Strips it all down, boarded up the back end of it, as you can see. Yeah, it's actually supposed to say thin bar deliveries, being a van banger, of course. Yeah, so watch it go around a couple more times. So look forward to your comments underneath. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, so until the next video, yeah, bye for now.